I know the weather's been kind of like, looking the same every day for a while, and probably will be for many, many days to come the way it looks like. So figure mix things up a bit. School starting soon. Try to get more interactive too with social media and things like that. So I give you today multiple choice weather here. Hopefully you don't choose a tornado, but it's much simpler than that. So here are the only questions you have to answer. It's all of one. What kind of weather do you want? Let's see. It is multiple choice. So you have your choice of A, sunny, breezy, and hot. B, breezy, hot, and sunny. Or would you like C, hot, sunny, and breezy? Or go with D, all of the above. Make your choices wisely because it determines what is going to happen the rest of the forecast. No matter what you pick, though, I don't think it's going to change much. Highs today will be up there around 100. Right now, we are at 99 in Edinburgh. Look at the numbers. 97 already in Rio Grande City, 95 in Brownsville, 94 in Port Isabel. Now, the heat index, what it feels like, already feels over 100 everywhere. It feels like 110 in Brownsville when you factor in the humidity, 106 in Raymondville, 104 in Weslaco. And when I show this, I always mention that these numbers are calculated for the shade. If you're out in the sun doing some roof work or yard work, it is much, much hotter, especially if you're wearing dark clothing. So wear light colored clothing if you are outdoors too. It helps make you feel a little bit cooler on these days. A wind gusts, at least it is breezy, gusts to 30 miles per hour or so in most spots. 35 the gusts in Port Isabel, 30 in Raymondville, and 32 in Harlingen. But remember, no matter what, kind of slow down these hot summer days. This time period right here is the hottest stretch of weather statistically, usually in early August in the valley. So heat index will be in that 105 to sometimes 115 range. So you don't want to succumb to any heat-related health problems. Kind of take it easy and drink lots of liquid and stay cool out there. Now, the future track this afternoon has mostly sunny skies. The breeze is around. Notice how there's practically no clouds on the map. I think we'll mainly just good old sunny skies. Maybe a few clouds at night and in the morning, but quickly we're back into mainly sunny skies again on Friday. Breezy again, much like today, up near 100 degrees in most areas in the afternoon. Same thing for Saturday, too, if you're making plans for the weekend. Saturday, and this map could really play out through Sunday and Monday. It looks mainly dry everywhere across South Texas. Sunshine here in the valley and hot temperatures through the weekend. Now, hurricane season, we're still into that thing. It's been kind of quiet for us lately. NOAA released a new hurricane forecast. We had a Colorado State update earlier in the week. NOAA's forecast also adds on a little bit more activity because El Nino is ending. We're kind of in a neutral phase right now, which tends to favor maybe an increased number of storms compared to being in El Nino. So the number of named storms, the new forecast is 10 to 16 total for the entire season. That's tropical storm strength or greater. Out of those storms, 5 to 9 could become hurricanes, and out of those, you could have 2 to 4 major hurricanes at Category 3 strength or greater, and that is near the long-term average. If you get on the upper end of the forecast, it's actually a little more active than usual. So compare today's numbers to what the earlier forecast was from NOAA in May. And you see there was a slight increase. The number of named storms up just a little bit and the number of hurricanes up just a little bit, but the number of major hurricanes stays the same. So a slight increase in the hurricane activity, and usually it gets more active later in August into September and October around the Atlantic Basin. But it is quiet out there now. Nothing in the Gulf of Mexico and the Northwest Caribbean. We look out across areas, anywhere across the Atlantic, and nothing's out there. A couple of weak tropical waves, one entering the Caribbean and one north of the Caribbean, but they are falling apart and not doing much of anything, so nothing significant is out there. Today, 100 degrees for a high, mostly sunny skies, breezy and hot, down to 81 tonight. And your first 1-5 AccuWeather 7-day forecast, highs near 100 the next couple of days, plus or minus a little bit, on average near 100 in the valley, but each day that's going to range from about 90 or so at the coast to about 105 or so in Starr County. Sunshine and kind of breezy each afternoon. Gusts could be up around 30 miles per hour, maybe even a little more on the windy side on Friday to start the weekend. But look at the low temperature, still near 80 or so at night. It won't cool off much at night, and we stay hot and dry through next Wednesday, and some of the forecasts say even beyond that for several more days. We'll keep tracking your first 1-5 forecast here coming up.